Do you want to be rich or poor in the next 3 months? This may sound like a simple question, but the answer lies in the financial decisions we make daily. These choices can either catapult us towards prosperity or drag us into the pits of financial despair. The key to wealth creation? Effective strategies. It's not about how much you earn but how you manage, save and invest it. The choice is yours, and the time to act is now. Saving is not about being stingy, it's about being smart. Think about it this way. Every dollar you save today could be worth more tomorrow. That's the magic of saving money consistently and allowing it to grow over time. Now let's talk about a little thing called compound interest. Picture this. You start by setting aside just 10% of your income every month. As time goes by, not only do your initial savings grow, but the interest you earn on those savings also starts to accumulate. It's like a snowball rolling down a hill, getting bigger and bigger with each passing moment. Starting to save can be as simple as taking that first step. Set a goal. It could be a percentage of your income or a fixed amount every month, then stick to it. Make it a habit. Before you know it, you'll be watching your savings grow, and with it, your financial security. Remember, a penny saved is a penny earned. Investing is not just for the rich, it's for everyone who wants to be rich. These words ring true now more than ever. Investing is, in fact, a cornerstone in the grand design of wealth building. It's not a secret club for those with overflowing bank accounts. It's an open field where anyone can sow seeds for a prosperous future. Now you might be thinking, how do I start this investing game? Well, you've already taken the first step by seeking knowledge. Knowledge is indeed a powerful tool in the world of investing. So, start by researching. Get to know the different investment options out there. Whether it's stocks, bonds, real estate, or cryptocurrencies, understanding the ins and outs of these options can help you make informed decisions. Once you've done your homework, it's time to start small. You don't need to pour all your savings into an investment. A small but consistent investment can go a long way. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither will your wealth be. Lastly, be patient. The investment game is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires time and patience. Your investments may not yield immediate results, but don't let this discourage you. Over time, you'll see your wealth grow just like a tree from a tiny seed. Investing is a journey, not a sprint. Start now and see your wealth grow. Debt is like quicksand. The more you struggle, the deeper you sink. It's not a pleasant image, is it? But that's the reality for many people who find themselves in a cycle of debt. It's a trap that's easy to fall into but hard to climb out of. Excessive debt can feel overwhelming, but remember, it's not a life sentence. It can be managed and reduced with the right strategies. Start with a budget. It sounds simple, but knowing where your money is going can help you regain control. Next, prioritize paying off high-interest debt. These are the ones that grow the fastest and can cause the most damage. And remember, there's no shame in seeking professional help. Credit counselors and financial advisors, they're there to guide you and help you navigate through the financial quicksand. And finally, remember this. Freedom from debt is freedom from stress. Make it your goal. It's a journey, but a journey worth taking. Are you ready to take the first steps towards a richer future? Let's recap. Harness the power of saving, play the investment game wisely, and steer clear of the debt trap. It's time to put these quick tips into action. Whether you're aiming to be rich or simply want to avoid being poor, these next 3 months could be a game changer. So don't just sit there. Remember, the journey to wealth starts with a single step. Take that step today.